Want to make an awesome looking photo collage to share with your friends and family? Then you certainly came to the right place. Let us dive right into it and have some fun. Here's how to make an awesome photo collage in Canva. Click on Create a Design in the upper right corner and then search for Photo Collage. Click on the first result, Photo Collage 25 by 20 centimeters. In pixels, this equals to 2000 by 1600 pixels. Now, once your project has opened, head over to Templates in the left toolbar. You can then browse through these templates and choose the one that you like best. All of these templates are customizable. However, it is important to note that some of these templates are only available for Canva Pro users. To know whether a template is free or not, simply check whether there's a crown symbol in the lower right corner of the design. If that is the case, then this design is reserved for Canva Pro users. If it doesn't have a crown symbol, then it's a Canva free template. Once you found the template that you would like to use, simply click on it to add it to your design. And you can then customize each and every element of your photo collage template. To do so, simply click on an element and then adjust. You can obviously also switch out the pictures, of course. Simply click on a picture, go to Photos in the left toolbar if you would like to choose a picture from Canva's Photos library. I'm simply going to search for Paris here. And maybe I like that picture here better of the Eiffel Tower than the one that we have here. So I would simply left click and drag that onto the picture frame, and just like that you can switch out photos. Now for our first picture here, I don't really like that the Eiffel Tower is situated here completely at the left side of the frame, so I can easily change that by double clicking on the frame here, and then I simply drag to the right. Then I click on Done. Now for a photo collage, it's obviously pretty likely that you would like to use your own photos. You can certainly also do that in Canva, no problem at all. Simply click on Uploads here in the left toolbar. And then here under Upload Files, you can upload whatever photo you want. And you can then use these photos in the very same manner as we just used a photo from Canva's Photos library. And that's how easy it is to make a photo collage in Canva. Now you can obviously also start from scratch to make your photo collage in Canva. Here's how we do it. First of all, let me delete this template here. Now let's suppose I would like to make a photo collage about my fishing holidays of last year. To do so, I would first go into Photos here and then search for fishing. And I would then choose a suitable background for my collage. I might just go with that one here. I right click on the image and click Set Image as Background to make it fill the whole frame. Now the next thing I would do is to head over here to Elements and search for Frames. Because here you can find all kinds of very useful frames, just as the frames as we have seen in the template before. These frames will allow us to later on simply drag and drop photos onto them. So I would take this first frame here, for example, drag and drop it onto my project. I'll just make this a little bit smaller. Then I press Command and C on my keyboard to copy this frame. And then Command and V to paste it. And like that, I can get as many as these as I want. Then I'm simply going to reposition these a little bit. Maybe I will make some more. Then I will go into Photos here again. And will then add some of my fishing memories. Of course, I would actually need to go to Uploads here and then first upload my very own footage. But for now, to just show you guys, I'm simply going to choose images here from Canva's Photos library to keep things as easy as possible. So under Photos, maybe I would take that one here, because maybe I caught a really big fish. Then I will have this one here. I will choose a few other ones. Now let's suppose I would also like to add a title to this collage. So I would go and reposition my images here a little bit to make some space for an actual heading. Then I press T on my keyboard to add some text. Now I'm simply going to drag that here in the upper right corner, double click on it, write my text, make this a little bit bigger, maybe make it bold as well, and choose another font here. And just like that, you can make an awesome looking photo collage in Canva from scratch. Now there's one thing that I would like to bring to your attention before you actually download this. The actual dimensions of your photo collage as of now are 25 by 20 centimeters as discussed before. And in pixels that's 2000 by 1600 pixels. Now what is important here is that as a Canva free user you can actually not resize your project after you have created it. So that is something to keep in mind. If you would like to be able to resize your projects at any time, you would need to make sure to become a Canva Pro user. future. Now, the good news is that in the description of this video, you will actually find a 30-day free trial link for Canva Pro. So if you would like to try out Canva Pro completely for free, then you could use that link to do so. As a Canva Pro user, you can always click here on resize in the top bar menu and then simply resize your project to whatever you want. And then after you have set the custom size, simply click here on resize. Now, last but not least, I have prepared a photo collage template for you guys. In this template, you will find my favorite designs. And also at the very end of this template, I have prepared different frames for you guys that you can use in your photo collage in case you would like to create your very own collage from scratch in Canva. You will find the link to this template in the description of this video. Also, I highly suggest you to watch the next video on my channel where I will present to you the 30 greatest Canva hacks ever. These hacks will certainly also help you to get your photo collages to the next level.